thunderstorm warning for northeastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, western Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Grand Meadow, or 16 miles southwest of Rochester, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Grand Meadow around 7:35 p.m. Spring Valley around 7:50 p.m. McAllen around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 2 and 38, Edna, York, Highway 63 and 16, Hamilton, Cherry Grove, and Ostrander. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 195 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore and Malheur. The severe thunderstorm